everyone, I'm back again. Hope you all doing good. So today I'm here with another Bhatkali dish. It's one of the most popular dish in Bhatkal and a Friday special at every home. So guess what? Yes friends, it's a Bhatkal biryani. So today I'll be showing you a Bhatkal biryani. So I hope you will like my recipe. Keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making biryani. These are the ingredients. Let's start. Here in a bowl I have taken 1 kg of chicken. To that adding 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Then goes 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste. Now this is my little daughter Minsa helping me in kitchen, adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, then goes 5 tablespoon of curd. Now biryani is something special that everyone loves to eat and it's a main course at every function. Generally in Bhatkal they add raw meat, but here I'll be marinating the chicken before adding it to masala. Just showing it in my variation how I prepare. This is most favorite dish of my husband. Now I am from Hubli. Unlike Bhatkal, we prepare biryani in a different way, same like Hyderabadi dum biryani. I'll be uploading video on Hyderabadi biryani soon. Now here I am adding some sliced onion, green chilies. Mix well and marinate for at least 2 hours. Now that's my helping hand in kitchen, husband slicing onions. This is around half kg of sliced onion. Over here I am adding 1.5 cup of oil. To that goes 1 bay leaf, 2 cardamom, some cloves and peppercorns, and then goes onions. Saute until onion turns golden in color. Now here I am adding some green chilies, around 4 to 5. This is birista, that's fried onions we call. Meanwhile here I am soaking the rice. Here I have taken 4 cups of basmati rice. Give a mix in between. Now you can see onions are golden in color. Next here I am making masala. I am using the same oil. In that goes 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise, 3 cardamoms, some peppercorns and cloves, and 2 cinnamon sticks. Next I am adding onions. Saute until onion turns soft. Here we need to cook onions for more time. Now it takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Once the onions are soft, here I am adding tomatoes. I have taken 6 to 7 of large tomatoes. Mix well, cover and let the tomatoes cook. You can see the tomatoes are soft. Here I am adding green chilies. Then goes 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Mix well until the raw smell goes off. In that goes 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Mix well until the spices are well mixed. Next I'm keeping water for boiling. Give a mix to masala. Here I'm adding handful of mint leaves. Now I'm adding the marinated chicken. Mix well, do not over mix. Here in hot water I'm adding some whole spices and some mint leaves. When water starts boiling, add soaked rice. Mix well and add salt. Make sure the rice is cooked up to 70%. Rest 30% will be steamed cook. I transfer the masala into a pan. Next I'm adding half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well. Adding some dried fenugreek leaves. Cover and let it cook. You can see the rice is 70% cooked. Off the flame and drain the water. Now add the cooked rice in the same pan. Level it. Add some coriander leaves. Some tomatoes. Here I am adding oil from masala. Adding this gives a good color. Bhatkal biryani has slight difference in taste compared to other chicken biryani. When I introduced Bhatkal biryani at my mother's place, everyone liked it. Now this is one of the most favorite dish of my family. Add fried onions. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Now the masala is all cooked. Off the flame and add coriander leaves. Time for serving. Now you can see the delicious biryani is ready. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon for more regular updates.